creating reading comprehension abilities is extremely essential for expanding visitors, beginning as early as picture books. As childs grow older, it will certainly assist them recognize books, papers, and also various other much more complicated messages. Scholastic uses a lot of grade-appropriate reading comprehension task books that can assist your child method. Yet additionally, right here are 6 pointers to develop reading comprehension abilities in your very early visitor. 1. Have them read out loud. This compels them to go slower, which provides even more time to refine what they read and subsequently enhances reading comprehension. And also, they're not just seeing words, they're hearing them as well. You can likewise take turns reading loud. 2. Provide books at the right level. See to it your child obtains great deals of method reading books that aren't as well difficult. They must identify a minimum of 90% of words with no assistance. Quitting any more usually than that to find out a word makes it difficult for children to concentrate on the total definition of the tale. If your child requires aid transitioning from photo books to phase books, attempt Scholastic's branches books, which are developed to link that void for expanding viewers. 3. Reread to develop fluency. To obtain definition from message and also urge reading comprehension, your kid requires to read promptly and also efficiently, an ability referred to as fluency. By the start of third quality, for instance, your child ought to have the ability to read 90 words a minute. Going over acquainted, straightforward books provides your kid technique at translating words swiftly, so they'll come to be much more well-versed in their reading comprehension. Discover more concerning the several advantages of going over books. 4. Speak to the teacher. If your kid is dealing with reading comprehension, they might require even more aid with developing their vocabulary or exercising phonics abilities. This Peppa Pig phonics box establish and this Paw Patrol phonics box establish are enjoyable means to assist your kid construct essential phonics abilities. An educator can evaluate on the most effective following actions to take. 5. Supplement their course reading. Look for easy-to-read books or books on the subject if your kid's course is researching a specific motif. Some anticipation will certainly assist them make their method via harder class messages and advertise reading comprehension. 6. Speak about what they read. This spoken handling aids them believe and also bear in mind via the motifs of guide. Ask inquiries previously, throughout, and also after a session to motivate reading comprehension. Read all the concerns you need to ask throughout tail time right here. Prior to, what are you thinking about concerning this book? What does not passion you? Throughout, what's taking place in guide? Is it ending up the means you believed it would? Certainly. What do you believe will occur next? After, can you sum up guide? What did you like concerning it? What various other books does it advise you of?